Well, Jay Martashev, I'm going to actually do this video in English because I just want to explain a few resources that I use and ways that I learn words and stuff in Irish. So today I came across a word. I was reading an article and I came across a word I just didn't quite understand. I knew what the words meant, but I just didn't understand in the context of what was happening, what was the meaning behind them. So I'm going to show you now what I would do when this happens, right? So here's the article I was reading, and here is the word in the middle here is carthaige. So carthaige, that's what I'm trying to find the meaning to today. So the first thing I would do is come to this website, changlan.ie. I'd click here. So I'm going to search for a word in Irish or English. Now I don't know what its meaning is in English essentially, so I'm going to go for this word exactly. It's a couple of words, so I'll put in carthaige, so it's changed to these words exactly, and there's also this exact phrase, so I'll try that actually, and then I'm going to go search. So I've got 3 ways to listen to it in the different dialects, which is useful, and then these little boxes here, I'm going to click these. So some of them are blank, meaning they don't have much information about it. It says to go the right way to work, carthaige geart, and that sounds, because I look at it as carthaige as in to put towards it, and geart means correctly essentially, so to put towards it correctly. So again, I just need to find a word that is the equivalent in English for this. Now, so the next thing I would do then, I would go to this website called Potafuckle, which is just brilliant, I think. So it gives you a way to search words in English, Irish, whatever, and then see if it's linked to anything. So I go carthaige, and I'll search that. All right, so as you can see from the top here, you got a couple of boxes. The first one usually would be like an actual definition, but it's got an X through it, meaning that they don't have a exact definition for this one. So if you go to Bio, it'll show live articles where this phrase has been used. So carthaige tells me approach. So that's what it is, approach. So then I scroll down and I can see different articles with examples of this. So that's pretty cool, different approaches. And what's awesome about it then, so now my next step and final step is what I would do is this. I would then come here to folklore.ie, which is kind of like Changlan, another resource, and on this one you can search in English to Irish, so it's super helpful. So I'm going to search then the word approach. Brilliant. So now I've got there's 8 bits for a verb, which is great. So come closer to someone, something, and then I'm looking for the noun though. So number 9, method, that's what I would believe this would be under. So I'd scroll down, show full entry, keep going down till you get to number 9, and there you have it, carthaige method. So basically, if you're ever stuck, just follow this method. That's something that I do. There's obviously, if you have dictionaries and stuff, use what other resources you have. Lán agus slán.